Philippines!
It's traffic here, guys. Malapit lang naman dito.
Meantime, they stop everybody going this way with traffic going the other way, and there's nobody coming the other way.
What the f is this guy doing? What the fuck? Look at that. He is an idiot. That guy is an idiot. Oops. Oh my god. God, parang Pilipinas lang eh. Can you hold this hand?
What am I pointing at?
Huh? Wait the road. Not good now. Oh, for sale, what is that?
Chairs.
Okay, we're here. We're almost there. It's not holiday today, right?
No, that was yesterday.
So it's not gonna be a lot of people, hopefully. Car going over there, that's where we're going. Oh, there's people here. This parking lot is going all the way in their land over there. No outside food or beverage. Okay. So there are people here, so okay. Okay guys, dito na tayo.
Barbecue chicken.
Ah?
Barbecue chicken.
We're here?
And apple cider gone.
They have barbecue chicken? Okay, oh nice, they have this thing here now. So, silupin lang yung kinuha ko guys kasi bibigyan ka naman nila ng ano. Bibigyan ka nila ng parang bag para sa apple. Look, tignan mo yung kasama ko. Oh. Meron tayong kasama. Oh, may mga tao dito. What is the sign over there before?
What?
Huh?
The sign is just.
With the kids over there?
Oh, I don't know.
I forgot.
The sign I know is the holiday season.
Hopefully.
Make benches out of pallets.
Huh?
Make benches out of pallets.
Is that what it is? Look, you can. They have tables over here. You can. Weekend here there is a band. It was crowded here every weekend, honey.
Oh, well, you should have come on a weekend.
Yeah, crowded with the music. Hala, they're adding some stuff over there. Meron silang, oh, they add more stuff in there. Oh, there's more here. May mga bagong ano sila. Look at this. It's nice. You can have wedding here.
The grapes are going to be the furthest thing away, right?
Right here. Oh, did you see that?
No.
Tommy, don't complain. You never walk with me. Look at that. Oh, the other one's complaining already. Look, they have chairs here, honey. You can sit down.
Yeah.
And you can put the umbrella right here. Hala, I think it's nothing now here. Did she say something? This is not it. This is it. It's a green. Yeah, it's a green one. This is not really. Yeah, that's not really. Let's see. It's right here. Right here. Look at this guys. Big picking. We have to find a good one, okay? Good one.
Right there.
Right here. Meron tayo dito. It's a good one.
It looks good.
You can take it off.
Take the whole thing?
There is a thing, yeah.
Just snap this whole branch?
Not that branch. This one or this one is the branch. Hala. Shit. Oh my god. So this is the rotten tin is in there. You have to find a good one. Okay. No, we have to find this. Okay guys, right here. No, that's rotten, honey. Oh, there's one here. Nice. Okay, can you hold that for me?
On the other side?
Right here, look. Right here, guys. The grapes. Oh. Look at that. So nice, huh? This is nice. Okay.
Like the other ones off.
Huh? Let's find a good one. Let's walk around. Look, you know, guys, you can have eat it. You can eat it.
Yeah, it's right.
It's right here, guys. Look, guys. You have to wipe it because they spray it like Why is it sour?
I don't know, I guess that's what kind of grapes they are.
It's sour, Tommy Moy.
Well, then you picked the wrong grapes.
Try one. Wipe. Look, guys, on the.
Hey, a lot of rotten ones here.
It's right here. Oh. Don't get so
Oh
much.
shit, I drop in the bag. I'm dropping the rotten ones in the bag. Figure it out.
Mmm. Sweet. Matamis. And what happened to you? It's sweet, guys. Don't get so much, hun. You know why? It's not seedless.
Okay, well,
That's it.
looks like there's good ones on the ground.
Yeah. Look, let's see if they have vegetables. Look at this, guys. Look. Ganda, no? Ganda ng grapes, oh. Dito tayo sa mga grapes area. I don't know if the red is ready.
Why would the red not be ready?
The red is over there. I think it's not fully ripe yet.
Why would you say that? Why would you say that?
Because
Green or red, how would you say that right as well?
daming ano. Hey, don't harvest so much because I'm gonna pick some apple.
You what? You can't get apple, you didn't take the bag. You didn't want the bag for the apples, so you can't get apple.
Oh, ang ganda. Look at this. Ang daming grapes. Let's walk around here. Ang dami ay. You have to get the ripe one. No, it's not. It's seedless. Not seedless. Look, Han. Let's go over there. What's your back? Ay, this is not ready, Han. This is not ready. Look, guys.
There you go.
Because this is not in the thing. Look, ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda. It's not ready, don't harvest that. Ang ganda, ang daming grapes. Not ready, Han. Come on. This is not what in their thing.
A lot of red grapes.
Yeah, but it's not really ready. Ang daming red grapes. Oh.
Okay to me.
Huh?
They look okay to me.
Look. Dami eh. Look, ang dami doon oh. This is not, that's why there's a lot, because it's not ready. Let's see if they have vegetables.
You didn't get a bag, so you still can't do vegetables either.
Yeah, I'm just looking around. Look how nice is this, guys. Look how nice is that.
Go ahead, corn.
Oh, there's a lot of corns.
Go into the corn maze.
That's not the corn maze.
It will be once you get inside of it.
Sour. Not ready. There's a lot of them. Look how nice is this. Not ready. There's a corn over there. Oh, nice. Oh my god, that scares me.
You're scared of birds.
Yeah, let's walk over there. That's not a scarecrow.
Yes, it is. Put that to scare the birds.
Huh?
They put it to scare the birds.
Oh my god. Seriously.
Yeah.
Oh, the apples. The peach is already done. Peaches, oh, it's done already. They harvested already. Let's go and eat apple over there. It's apple over there.
You can hear everything just rock around.
Yes, and be careful, hon. You don't... Oh my God, si Tammy hindi alam paano maglakad sa rocks. Look at that. Hindi niya alam kung paano maglakad. He doesn't know. There's a lot of corns there, oh, guys. Corns everywhere. Hala, big rocks. Here you go. There is the apple. Maganda punta pala dito kapag ano. What kind of apple is this?
I should say it.
This is not ready. I probably ready already. Yeah, they're ready. Ang daming apple. Oh guys, oh look, apple. Okay, look. Apple, look. It's easy. All you have to do is like this. Look, Han. Look. Oh my God, it's so good.
So I'll pick some apples. We'll switch the bags on. And it's already put them.
Oh my God, it's so good.
So I'll pick some.
Only two.
Only two.
Yeah, for you.
No, you gotta pick a few more than that. They're gonna weigh them.
Look, ang ganda nito, guys. Okay. That's it, because I still have to walk over there. There's more apple there. It's nice and sweet. It's not like sweet, but it's so nice. The apple over there, I think it's not ready. Tammy, that's why you cannot bring Tammy pag ganito, because he cannot take it.
The heat?
The heat and the walking. Look, he can't.
Yeah.
He can't walk.
Okay.
I never tried peaches, hon. There's peach over here, honey. What it tastes like, hon?
Peaches are really good.
Huh?
Peaches are really good.
What it tastes like?
They're like peaches.
Tastes like peaches?
Right.
Yes, oh, peaches, oh. Can I try? Try one. Can I eat it?
Yes, you ate apple.
It's like an apple?
No, you ate apple, so I guess you would eat a peach.
No, I mean, can I eat you like apple?
Yes, huh?
No. I don't like it.
Maybe they're not ripe.
Look, ang dami guys. Oh, there's a lot of there. Look.
If you don't like it, then what's fun?
And pagkatapos pala dito guys, we're going to get some...
Nectarine?
What is nectarine? Peaches.
It's like, no, it's different. It's like a peach, but there's no fuzz.
Oh, there is a fuzz.
Very shiny outside.
Oh no. Oh, that one is... No, that one is not... That one is nectarine?
Those apples.
No.
I'm serious?
It's not apple.
Okay.
Is it apple? No, it's not. Look.
Those apples. What the heck is wrong with you?
Is it apple?
Yeah.
That's a weird apple. Small one. It's not apple.
Look.
It's not apple, huh?
It's a nectarine.
It's a nectarine. You want
Looks
it?
like an apple.
You want? There's a lot in here. Huh?
Just taste it.
Try daw natin guys. Kinuha ko.
I like nectarines.
You do?
Yeah. Really, hon? Something wrong to you.
I never tried that. I don't like it. It's tasteless.
It's not tasteless. Maybe they're not ripe.
Han, it's been harvested. Oh. People harvested it. That means it's been ready. Okay, let's go. They don't plant more vegetables this year. They used to have a lot of plants over there. Vegetables.
I don't know.
That was empty and that's empty now. So we're going and that's it. A quick picking only guys.
So no vegetables at all?
No vegetables.
Except for corn, but that's not ready.
People harvested a lot of apple. Oh.
Yeah.
Ang nakaano dito guys is the apple is really a waste because there's a lot on the ground. So it's like crazy. Peaches.
See what they are in front of the rows.
Yeah, it's over there.
No, it just keeps telling you which row has the apples.
Oh, it
The
says
peaches.
peaches. Oh, peaches. This one here. 5 per pound.
Pick from the orange tag trees.
Look of peaches. Pick from the orange tag. Yeah, it's only orange tag. That means it's ready.
So I guess that means those are the ones that are ripe.
Yes, everything is ready here because it's gone. Oh,
You know, where's the orange tags? I don't see the orange
it's
tags.
like top.
Oh, top. But there's no peaches on them.
Because it's been harvested already.
Okay.
Because people
So
here,
pick from the trees that don't have peaches.
Han, because we don't come here for, ano, so late. The grapes is not ready, the red one. So yun. So really it. This is where we get our orange. Oh. So guys, magbabayad na tayo. Hello. We end up getting 4 apples.
In here, so.
If you see anything you want, you can bring it out.
Okay.
Okay?
Do we have donuts here?
No,
Oh, it's over there. Han, do donuts over there.
Yeah.
So let's see what they have here. Oh, they have wine here. And they have, what is this? No. I just want donut that we can eat. Donut. We can get
Apple
donut.
butter barbecue sauce.
Oh my god. Let's go get donuts. So hungry. So bibili na si Tami ng donut. I don't know what kind of donut he's getting. Only one kind? That's it? Only one kind? Oh my goodness. Dito pala sa window ko kunin yung ano. So magbabayad lang kami guys. We got donuts. Give me that you can, yeah, this is mine. Okay, bayad tayo. Yeah. Hala! Okay, let me try it.
Nice and cold.
Oh my god, it's cold.
Thank you. I'll take a few of those. I know what they taste like. So
No.
You didn't like it?
Not my
Seriously?
thing, sorry.
Most people like, oh, I never seen
She likes soury stuff better.
celery,
Soury.
Sour.
sour.
Yeah, more sour.
Oh. That's a
You don't have mango.
mango.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Not here.
Yeah.
Tropical climate enough.
Yeah, it'll freeze everything. You didn't find it?
No, I think next time I'll go over there. That's over that side.
Yeah, it's
Another. You like these? What? These are gala apples? Is that what these are?
Yeah.
no. That's I think I don't know what you pick.
I think that's gala.
I don't know what you picked.
Ginger gold or
She just strolled out of the grapes and into the apples.
I think that was I couldn't tell you.
We're gonna eat some donuts in the car. I do. Okay. So it's a nice pond across the street right there. We've been here. Okay, let's eat donut. Oh. Oh my god. It's good, love.
Good for fresh meat.
It's so good, guys. Look at these people from somewhere else, except there's a lot of people inside. It's like a tour or something. I've been here.
Yeah, but you said you know that. Like, I wouldn't.
This is apple. You can just grab them. Grab. Guys, ito yung construction dito sa Amerika, guys. Oh, look at this, guys. Is this guys going out of here? No? Okay.
Purpose that machine is just a.
Look at this machine, guys. Look how nice is that machine.
They don't do that. When you drive on it, it'll just crumble.